Yeah, hey, if you're new here, I post lifestyle, beauty, and hair content. And if you want to see the finished look, then keep on watching.
Me twice.
So, of course, I molded her hair using Main Life Collection Main Coconut Foam. And then I went in with just a little bit of the Main Oil. She has low density or medium density hair, so I did not go too heavy on the Main Oil, but the Main Oil is not heavy at all. The base is grapeseed oil, and grapeseed oil is one of the only oils that actually penetrate through the cuticle instead of sitting on the outside. Now this is a technique that if you're new here, if you're old here, you've seen this technique on my page, but people like to watch it. I think it's very soothing to watch people curl hair. I know I love to watch people curl hair. Even just sit on YouTube, I'll sit and watch people just curl hair. Short hair, long hair. It's just so like soothing. I don't know. But anyway, I will link this flat iron that I have. I got it on Amazon. I will link it for you guys. It goes on and off sale a lot, but it's not a lot of money anyway. I believe it's like $32, and it's well worth the spend. And yeah, so I'm just not going to babble on, and I'll just let y'all watch this video, and I'll be back towards the end. girl. So I am back with the top of this cut, and I am so sorry, y'all. For some reason, my camera went dead, like literally when I got to the top of her hair. But if you understand what I'm doing, then you got the concept. This is the finished look. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to get notified, and I'll see you guys again for the next video.
Yeah.